Hey there, food fans. Are you ready for a treat that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more? Get ready to dive into a world of creamy deliciousness in Brenham, Texas. This is where ice cream dreams come true. This ain't your average ice cream stop. We're talking about Blue Bell Creamery, the real deal, a place where tradition meets taste. This place is a legend. They've been churning out some of the best ice cream in the country since 1911. That's right, over a century of perfecting the art of ice cream making. That's over 100 years of deliciousness. Imagine all the flavors and innovations they've brought to the table. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a frosty adventure. Get ready to explore the rich history and mouth-watering flavors. Brenham, Texas is where the magic happens. This charming town is the heart and soul of Blue Bell. This small town is big on flavor. Every scoop tells a story, and every bite is a piece of history. It's home to the one and only Blue Bell Creamery, a place where quality and tradition are the top priorities. Now, you know I love my food with a side of history, and Blue Bell has a rich, creamy history that's as delightful as its ice cream. And let me tell you, Blue Bell's got a story to tell. From its humble beginnings to becoming a household name, it's a journey worth savoring. So, get ready to grab a spoon and your sense of adventure. We're diving deep into the world of Blue Bell, where every flavor has a tale. We're going on a ride through the sweetest spot in Texas. So, sit back, relax, and let the flavors of Brenham take you on a delicious journey. First stop, the Visitor Center. This is where the journey begins. This place is like a museum dedicated to all things ice cream. It's a paradise for ice cream lovers and history buffs alike. You'll learn all about how Blue Bell started, from humble beginnings to becoming a household name. It all began with a little creamery and a whole lot of passion. The founders had a dream and they made it come true. You'll see old school ice cream making tools and vintage Blue Bell packaging. These artifacts tell the story of innovation and tradition. It's like taking a trip back in time. You can almost feel the nostalgia in the air. You can even see the very first truck Blue Bell used to deliver its ice cream. Imagine the journeys it has been on. Talk about a blast from the past. Every corner of this place is filled with memories. You can practically smell the history in the air, mixed with that sweet scent of sugar and cream. It's an experience you won't forget. Next up, the observation deck. This is where the real action happens. You get a behind-the-scenes look at how they make that famous Blue Bell ice cream. It's like Willy Wonka, but with frozen treats instead of chocolate. You can watch as they blend the ingredients, churn the mixture, and package those iconic blue tubs. The sights and smells are incredible. Talk about a feast for the senses. It's amazing to see how much care and precision goes into every scoop. You'll never look at a pint of Blue Bell the same way again. Section 4. Time to dig in. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the ice cream parlor. This ain't your average scoop shop. They've got all the classic flavors you know and love, plus some special ones you can only get here. We're talking flavors like pecan pralines and cream, and homemade vanilla. And let's not forget about the seasonal favorites. They change with the seasons, so there's always something new to try. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Section 5. Take home the flavor. Before you head out, make sure to swing by the country store. It's a must-visit spot for any Blue Bell fan. It's packed with all sorts of Blue Bell goodies. From exclusive merchandise to unique flavors, there's something for everyone. You can find everything from t-shirts and hats to coffee mugs. These items make perfect gifts or keepsakes. And even ice cream scoops. these scoops are perfect for serving up your favorite Bluebell flavors at home. They've got gifts for everyone on your list, even the pickiest eaters. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, you'll find the perfect item. Pick up a souvenir to remember your trip, something that will remind you of the sweet memories made here. Or stock up on your favorite Bluebell treats. Take home a variety of flavors to enjoy with family and friends. So there you have it, folks. A visit to the Bluebell Country Store is the perfect way to end your trip. A trip to Bluebell Creamery in Brenham, Texas, is more than just a dessert run. It's an adventure filled with delicious discoveries. It's a full-blown ice cream experience. From the moment you arrive, you'll be immersed in the world of Bluebell. It's a celebration of flavor, history, and good old-fashioned fun. Don't miss out on this sweet adventure.